Now, you know, I had to get on that charm bag trend. I am a sucker for charms, charm bracelets, anything charm, whatever. So I ran to Michael's because I used to make bracelets back in the day when I first started with my business. So I ain't new to this. I'm true to this. So I went to Michael's and I got some chains and little things that I wanted to personalize my own charm bag. Um, so this is some of the stuff that they have there. You can order a lot of this stuff from other sites and websites and online stores. But I just ran here real quick and I just saw so many that I wanted, so many that I liked, so many that was so me. And look at the food. Y'all know I'm a foodie. Look at the food. I want to probably make one like that. I was thinking about maybe starting to sell these. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if y'all think that I should start making them. They will not be customized. That's a no-go for me. Look at all this cute Hello Kitty stuff. They had the whole alphabet in silver and gold. And here I am at home making it. You know, I had to speed the video up because it was just like taking way too long and I didn't really want to film the whole thing. But you see me in action, kind of making it. I'm almost done. Let me know what y'all think. Should I start making these and adding it to the website so that you guys can order them? Let me know. And I just love mine. I just think it came out so cute. Now, you're going to see at the end of the video when I'm showing you my little bag with the charms on it, I do have the Coach charm as well. So this is my Coach charm chain, the one with the cherries and stuff like that. But the one on the bottom is the actual one that I made. And I love it. Let me know.